There, you see the red one? That's me. I'm flying out to number 2. Right, I should turn a corner now. Which it is. On the way to go. And it should come all the way back. And then I've done a big course right the way around this field, right the way around it. Right down the railway track, miles. So we're going to put a new battery in and we'll try that. I looked up, I saw an aeroplane going that way and I saw a seagull going that way, and I couldn't see where I was, but I looked at this. I can see where I am now. I can actually hear it now. And then it's going to number 7, which is there. And then it should say finished, which it did. I want to fly over there because I'm sure I saw fly tippers. Why they would drive into here and go all the way over there, over to that corner there, and dump stuff. So we'll fly over there in a minute. Where's the golfer gone? Oh, the golfer's gone. So we're here on our own. This big field is mine. Then we're going to have a look at that fly tipping shit over there. We've got 41%, so we're still pretty good. Well, I was 26% battery, which is, you know, what it should do. So now we're going to bottle drop and I'm going to send it right around just to see if my bottle is good enough. Right. We're going to load another litchi mission in. Right, that's in the air. Here goes my bottle. It's going. It's going down there. I can see it. So if it comes, I've worked out if it does, anything goes wrong, it's in the woods over by here, or it's somewhere on this field. So we should be okay. She's heading down there at the moment. Okay. We did it, Troy, we did it. Me and Troy the boy, huh? Let's get home, we'll charge everything up, right? And we'll try the roundabout later on. I think I can do it. I think I got the bottle to go for it. Well, we're going to get fucking it alive here, let's fuck off quick.